This conference will now be recorded.
So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the Salesforce CRM and the various features and the services offered by the Salesforce.com organization to their customers. Now, so first of all, we have to understand what exactly the CRM and what is the use. What are the benefits that we have with CRM? And what are the various CRM applications available in IT industry? And from those CRM applications, what is the benefit of Salesforce CRM? That means what is the advantage of Salesforce CRM when compared with the other CRM applications in our IT industry? And what are the various services offered by the Salesforce to their customers? We'll see elaboratively. Okay, now. So as part of our demo session, we have discussed Salesforce is providing the various cloud services to their customers. Salesforce is providing the various cloud services to their customers. Now, like the Salesforce.com is an organization. Salesforce.com is an organization which has been started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. Mark Benioff. Salesforce.com is an organization which has been started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. So he is the CEO of the organization and he is the founder of this organization. Okay, he is the CEO and founder of this organization. So now initially he is one of the executive member in the Oracle Corporation. Okay, he is one of the executive member in the Oracle Corporation. That means he is an ex-employee of Oracle Corporation. He has rendered his services for the Oracle Corporation for a long time. That means so many years he has worked in that Oracle Corporation as an executive member. And then during his tenure in Oracle Corporation, he has identified the various products developed by the Oracle Corporation people and the customers who are utilizing the Oracle products and the problems the customers are facing with the Oracle products. He has identified all this information. During his long tenure in Oracle Corporation, he is interacting with the various customers and he is collecting the feedback about their products. So he is collecting the information about the products. He is collecting the information about the customers who are utilizing the products and the feedback on the products. And he is collecting what are the various problems the customers are facing with Oracle products. So he is keep on in touch with the customers and he is collecting the feedback also. And then during the time, so many customers has raised the problem that they're facing so many difficulties during upgradation. During the upgradation, the customers are facing so many difficulties. So what do you mean by upgradation problem? Upgradation problem in the sense, keep on, we need to update that software with the latest versions. Keep on, we need to update that software with the latest version of that license. Like for example, assume that I'm using this MS Office, okay, 2010 version into my local system. Suppose since almost 2 years, I'm using this MS Office version 2010 software into my local system. And then I'm using this MS Office version and I'm preparing so many documentations, presentations. It is working very fine. There is no issue. Suppose if recently Microsoft has introduced the latest version of this MS Office, like as suppose for example, some MS Office 2014, which is having some latest features. Then I want to get those latest features. I want to get those latest features. Then how can we get those latest features? We have to buy the license of this MS Office 2014 version. We have to install into your local system. That means buy the license of this latest version of MS Office, that is MS Office 2014, and then update into your local system. Keep on, we need to update. This process is called as upgradation. Keep on, whenever we got a newer version of that software into the market, then we have to buy the license of that software and we have to upgrade that software into a local system to enjoy the benefits of latest features. This process is called as upgradation. So now, during his tenure in Arkel Corporation, so many customers has raised a complaint, so many customers has given that negative feedback that Arkel products are very, very costly. So every year Arkel is introducing the latest version of the product. So to update that version, to get that latest version, that we're investing the huge amount. But sometimes if few customers business may be in growing stage, if my business is in keep on in growing stage, then I can do the investment, I can purchase the latest version of that license and I can able to upgrade into my organization. That is fine. Suppose if my business is not in growing stage, so at that time, how can we do the investment? That will be very, very difficult. So always customers are expecting the latest features, but I'm unable to upgrade because I'm unable to buy the latest version of that license. So this is a major problem the customers are facing, from the Arkel products. So now in this case, he got an idea that why can't we provide our Arkel products to our customers on rental basis? He got an idea that why can't we provide our Arkel products to our customers on rental basis? So that he made a proposal to that higher management of Arkel Corporation people. He made a proposal to the higher management of the Arkel Corporation people that few of our customers are facing the problem during the upgradation. They're unable to do that much of investment to buy the latest version of the license. So now please, why can't we provide our products to the customers on rental basis? He made a proposal that why can't we provide our Arkel products to our customers on rental basis? But unfortunately, his proposal got rejected. So the Arkel Corporation people are not ready. They are not ready to provide the products to the customers on rental basis. So now in this case, he got an idea. Why can't we start my own company? Why can't we start my own company? Why? Because in our IT industry, as of now, we don't have any rental concept. If the people want to utilize any software or a platform or an infrastructure, then we have to buy the license first. We have to do the huge investment. So at that time, if it is a big organization, they can do the investment. If it is a small organization or a startup organization or a mid-sized organization, they can't do that much of investment in order to buy the expensive license of those software. So that here, so he got an idea, why can't we start my own company, by my name, so that we can offer that IT services to our customers on rental basis. If I'm offering the products to or services to my customers on rental basis, so many people will start utilizing that, so that we can make our business grow, we can generate more revenue also. So for that one, he got resigned to that Arkel Corporation, and then he has started his own company in 1990s with the name Salesforce.com. This is the background story behind Salesforce. Okay, so now Mark Benioff is one of the executive member in the Arkel Corporation. Okay, before starting this Salesforce.com organization, he was an executive member in the Arkel Corporation, and then during his tenure in Arkel Corporation, he has identified the various problems the customers are facing with Arkel products. So he got an idea, why can't we provide the products to the customers on rental basis, so that rental amount is very, very small, so that there is a chance to provide these services to more number of customers, so more number of people will utilize our services, so we can increase our sales also, we can generate more revenue, we can make our business grow as well. For that one, he got resigned to that Arkel Corporation. He came out from that organization and he has started his own company with the name Salesforce.com in 1990s. So while starting this organization, he is having only 2 employees. He has started this company with only 2 employees. With the 2 employees, he has started that company. Salesforce.com has been started in 1990s with 2 employees. But now 1,50,000 customers are utilizing Salesforce services. That means Salesforce is having their own clients, nothing but customers. How many? 1,50,000 customers are utilizing these Salesforce services. That means 1,50,000 organizations are utilizing Salesforce services. Now, in this case, he has started this organization in 1990s. So from the beginning, of this organization, they're purely concentrating on on-demand services. On-demand services. That means purely they're offering the cloud services. From the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering the cloud services or on-demand services. That means cloud services can be accessible just by using the browser and the internet access. So we no need to install anything into a local system just by using the browser and the internet access. Cloud applications or on-demand applications can be accessible by using any device just with the help of a browser and the internet access. By using the browser and the internet access, we can access this cloud application. So that here, Salesforce.com is purely offering the cloud services to their customers. There is no concept of on-premise in Salesforce. We no need to install anything into a local system. We no need to maintain any prerequisite softwares. We no need to maintain any prerequisite hardwares inside our local system. Just we need a browser and the internet access. By using this browser and the internet access, we can access this cloud services or the cloud applications offered by Salesforce. So from the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering the cloud services. There is no concept of on-premise. That means nothing to be get installed into a local system. Everything we can able to accessible just by using the browser and the internet access. That facility is available as part of Salesforce.com. Now, so in this case, what kind of services Salesforce is offering to their customers? What kind of services Salesforce is offering to their customers? Salesforce is offering the 3 classifications of services to their customers. Salesforce offers 3 classifications of services. Salesforce offers 3 classifications of services to their customers. So what are the 3 classifications of services? What are the 3 types of services offered by Salesforce to their customers? The first one, Salesforce is offering the SaaS services. Salesforce is offering the PaaS services. Third one, Salesforce is offering the infrastructure services also. These are the 3 classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers. They're offering the SaaS services, platform services, infrastructure services. Now, let's see in detail of each and every service one by one. Now, SaaS in the sense what? SaaS stands for software as a service. Software as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. These are the 3 classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers. Salesforce is offering the software also as a service. They're offering platforms also as a service. They're offering infrastructure also as a service. So now let me digging into each and every part. Let me digging into each and every concept one by one in detail. Now, so what do you mean by SaaS? What do you mean by software as a service? Software as a service in the sense what? Whenever you are utilizing the ready-made softwares, ready-made applications on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Now, so when coming to the software in the sense what? Software is nothing but a ready-made application. Okay, it is nothing but a ready-made application or a pre-built application. Pre-built application which contains some set of features inside this. Software is nothing but a ready-made application or a pre-built application, already developed application which contains some set of features inside this. Like for example, Notepad. Notepad is a ready-made application. Microsoft Word, it's a ready-made application. Microsoft Excel, it's a ready-made application. Tally software, ready-made application. And the media players like as VLC player, okay, Windows media player, these are all ready-made applications which we are utilizing to perform some operation. Like the similar way, when coming to that Salesforce is going to be having their own softwares which they have built, okay, which they're offering to you as a service. As a service means what? What are the ready-made applications are available with the Salesforce side? Those people are providing these ready-made applications to you on rental basis. So that what are the ready-made applications are available, those ready-made applications you can take it on rental basis. You can take it on rental basis. So what do you mean by software as a service? Software means a ready-made application or a pre-built application or already developed application which contains some set of features inside it. If the ready-made application features are exactly suits to my business, then no need to buy the license of that software. Just you can take it on rental basis. Just you can take it on rental basis. Like whatever the way we are taking the flats on rental basis, cars on rental basis, okay, some utilities on rental basis in the real world. Like the similar way, we can take the ready-made applications also on rental basis. So what are the ready-made applications are available with the Salesforce, okay, which are having some features. If the ready-made application is exactly suits to your business, then we can take it on rental basis. Now, in this case, now when the customer is utilizing the ready-made applications on rental basis to automate his business processes, automate his business processes, then we can call it as software as a service. That means they're providing the software on rental basis. They're providing the software on rental basis. They're providing the software, nothing but ready-made applications on rental basis. So whenever we are utilizing the ready-made applications on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Okay, now then what ready-made softwares are offering by Salesforce? Salesforce is providing a ready-made application. Salesforce is providing a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Okay. Salesforce is providing a ready-made application to their customers on rental basis that is called as Salesforce CRM. Then what is this Salesforce CRM? And then why the people are utilizing the Salesforce CRM application? What we can do with the help of the Salesforce CRM application? Now let's see. Now, this is the background story of Salesforce CRM. Now, so Salesforce CRM is one of the ready-made application offered by Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is an organization. These people has developed one ready-made application that is called as Salesforce CRM. Then what do you mean by this CRM stands for? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Then what is this Customer Relationship Management? What is this Customer Relationship Management? Now, in this case, Customer Relationship Management is nothing but a software or an application, okay, which allows us to automate all the customers' information at once. In order to automate all the customers' information at one place, we are using one ready-made application that is called as CRM application. Then why we need to automate our customers' information? Because when you go to any organization, maybe any business, for every organization, customer is a base. For every organization, customer is the base. Customer is the god for every organization from whom we are generating the revenue. If the customers are available, then only we can sell out our products and we can generate some revenue, we can get some profit out of it. Suppose if there is no customers, then there is no sales, there is no revenue, there is no growth at all. There is no credibility in the market also. So now here in this case, when coming to the organizations, it may be any organization, any business also, customer is a base, customer is a god for every organization. So we have to maintain our customer data very confidentially. We have to maintain our customers' data very, very effectively also. So whatever the interactions we had with our customer, everything we have to automate. All the customers' information, all the customers' interactions information, we have to track at one place. For that one, we are using customer relationship management. So customer relationship management is nothing but a ready-made application or a software which allows us to manage all our existing customers information and the new customers information at one place. Now, by using this customer relationship management, we can automate all the existing customers and new customers information at one place. That means we can able to automate all our existing customers information and the new customers information at one place. Now, so by using this CRM application, okay, we can maintain the customer interactions. Okay, we can maintain the customers interactions. We can maintain and track. The customer interactions. We can maintain and track the customers' interactions also. That means here, okay, how frequently we are contacting our customers, how frequently the customers are utilizing our products, whether customers are satisfied with our services or not, whether the customers are satisfied with our products or not. Everything we have to keep on collect some feedback so that we have to be interact with the customers also. In terms of some voice calls also, nothing but in terms of using the phone also, in terms of email notifications also, or in terms of SMS notifications also. Keep on, we need to collect some feedback from the customer regarding our services. Based on the customer feedback, we can able to plan accordingly. We can involve some more steps to make our business grow, to provide some quality services to the customers. Because as an organization, it is always our responsibility that we have to provide the quality services to the customers. If I'm having a very good relationship with our customer, then only customer will stay with me for a long time. Then only we can able to retain the customer with us for a long time, so that in future, if the customer needs any more products, then he will contact me again, so that I can generate some more revenue also. Suppose if the customer is very much satisfied with our service, he will be giving the very good feedback. Because of the good feedback, some more customers will contact me, some more people will buy my products also, so that we can able to get some more references also. Now, so now here in this case, so when coming to that, customer relationship management will allow us to track the customers' interactions also. Next, by using the CRM applications, we can maintain the 360-degree view of the customer. We can maintain the 360-degree view of the customer. What do you mean by this 360-degree view? 360-degree view means from capturing the customer. For example, 10 years back, we have captured one customer. Now during that time he has purchased some products. He is utilizing our products. Now till now, how many products he has purchased? And then how much revenue we have generated from that customer? How many times he has visited our organization? How much profit we got from this customer? How many complaints this customer has raised as of now? What kind of solutions we have offered to the customer? What kind of services we have offered to the customer, what kind of benefits we have offered to the customers, what kind of discounts we have offered to the customer. The whole information we can able to track in one place. That is called as 360-degree view. 360-degree view means what? The complete history of the customer we can able to maintain at one place. The complete history of the customer at one place. That means from capturing the customer till now. Okay, from capturing the customer till now, what are the various interactions we had with the customer. Every interaction we can able to automate at one place by using the 360-degree view with the help of the CRM applications. Now, and then by using the CRM applications, we can increase the revenue. We can increase the customer's revenue. That facility is available. We can able to make the customer can able to generate more revenue also, so that his business will be keep on growing, so that he can close some more deals also. For that reason, we are using this customer relationship management. Okay, now. So now here in this case, when coming to the Salesforce, Salesforce.com is offering one ready-made application. That means Salesforce.com organization has developed one application that is called as Salesforce CRM. Okay, Salesforce CRM. So Salesforce CRM is a ready-made application which has been given by Salesforce to the customers on rental basis. Now then, why this Salesforce CRM? When this Salesforce CRM has been came into the picture, that means when this Salesforce CRM has been introduced into the market. So now Salesforce CRM has been introduced into the market in the year 2000. That means Salesforce CRM has been came into the IT industry or came into the market in the year 2000. That means almost 19 to 20 years. Few people might be having some doubt, like, sir, Salesforce is a new technology in the market. Salesforce is not a new. Salesforce is available in the IT industry since almost 19 to 20 years. Salesforce CRM has been came into the IT industry in the year 2000. So now then, why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now? Don't we have any other CRM applications over here? Yes. We have so many other CRM applications. We have so many other CRM applications are available. Why? Because you can raise a question. Sir, for example, okay, now Salesforce CRM has been came into the market in the year 2000. So now Salesforce is in huge demand right now. So many customers are utilizing Salesforce CRM. Then why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now? Don't we have any CRM applications before the year 2000? Don't we have any businesses before the year 2000? Don't we have any organization before the year 2000? Yes, we have so many. Before 2000, before the year 2000, we have so many organizations, so many businesses, so many customers are also available, so many CRM applications are also available. Then what are the various CRM applications are available before Salesforce CRM came into the market? So now the other CRM applications are like we are having the Siebel CRM, and we have the PeopleSoft CRM, and the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Microsoft Dynamics CRM. We have Infor CRM. We have Infor CRM. We have Synergy CRM. We have NetSuite CRM. And then we have SAP CRM. We have Oracle CRM. Like that, we are having so many CRM applications are available before the year 2000. But then why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now in the market? Why not this CRM application? Sometime before, Siebel CRM, PeopleSoft CRM are the very popular in the market. But now Salesforce CRM is the topmost position in the CRM space. Why? What is the reason? Why these Salesforce CRMs are not in the top position nowadays? Why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand? Because whatever the CRM applications are available, okay, in the before year 2000, in this CRM application, we have few drawbacks. We have few drawbacks are available in this existing CRM tools. That is, the first one is these CRM applications are purely on premise. On-premise means what? First of all, we have to buy the license of the software.
Voice is not clear, sir.
Can't hear you, sir. Can others hear him?
No.
No,
Okay.
even we are not able to listen his voice.
I think he lost
Yeah.
connection. It just says that there's a single pop happening.
Yeah.
Yes,
We'll come back.
Wait.
right. Okay, back.
Now, so now here in this case, so whatever the existing CRM applications are available in the IT industry before the year 2000, these are having two major drawbacks. Okay, these are having two major drawbacks. Drawbacks in existing CRM applications. So whatever the CRM applications are available before the year 2000, we have two major drawbacks. First one is these CRM applications are purely on-premise. Okay? These are purely on-premise. On-premise means what? First of all, we have to install, then only we can start utilizing that. That means whatever the CRM applications are available before the year 2000, it may be Siebel CRM or PeopleSoft CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Infor CRM, Synergy CRM, these all are on-premise. On-premise means what? First of all, we have to install this software into a local system, then only we can start utilizing that. If you want to install, then first of all, we have to buy the license, right? Yes. To buy the license, we have to do the huge investment, right? Yes. We have to do the huge investment, buy the license of that software, then only we can install, and from there we can able to utilize that application in order to automate our business processes. That is the first problem. In this case, if the software license is very expensive, it's a huge cost. At that time, only the big organizations can able to utilize that. Small organizations, startup organizations, mid-sized organizations, these people can't be able to use my software. They can't be able to invest that much of huge amount in order to buy the expensive license of my software. Because of that, okay, they're losing some customers, they're losing some revenue, they're going to losing some sales also. So in this case, when coming to the on-premise applications, on-premise application requires the huge investment. First of all, we have to do the huge investment, buy the license of the software, install into your local server, then only you can start utilizing that. That is the first problem. Second problem is these are no coding tools. These are no coding tools. No coding tools means what? What are the CRM applications that we have before year 2000? These are purely ready-made application. Nothing but all the features are available ready-madely, inbuilt. Okay, ready-madely available over here. So now whatever the features are required to automate our customers, all the features are available inbuilt inside the CRM application. So these are no coding, nothing but we no need to do any coding. We no need to write any coding, just we can able to automate our businesses by using that mouse pointers. That facility is available as part of this existing CRM application is the second problem. The third problem is, okay, they won't have any platform. So now they're not providing any platform. So they won't provide any platform. Okay? They won't offer any platform to you. So what do you mean by this? They won't offer any platform? Because whatever the CRM applications are available, these are strictly CRM. Strictly CRM means what? They are purely no coding tools to automate your customers' information. Whatever the features are required, all the features are available inbuilt over there. Just you can able to store your data by using this application just with the help of some mouse clicks. That's it. But if you want to develop some applications by your own, with the help of that software, if you want to develop your own custom applications like as banking applications, finance applications, Insurance applications, healthcare application, you can't develop. There's no such possibility. We can't develop our own custom applications by using this applications. These are not offering any platform. These are the major drawbacks in existing CRM application. That's what here so many customers are adopting Salesforce CRM. Okay, Salesforce CRM. Then what is the benefits of this Salesforce CRM? Now let me explain. Benefits of Salesforce CRM. What are the various benefits are available as part of your Salesforce CRM? The first benefit is when coming to the Salesforce CRM is the world's first on-demand CRM application in the IT industry. Okay, this is the world's first on-demand CRM application in IT industry. It is the world's first on-demand or cloud CRM. This is the world's first on-demand CRM application or the cloud CRM application, which can be accessible just by using browser and the internet access. We no need to install anything into a local system. We no need to buy the license of the software. By investing the huge amount, we can take it on rental basis. Every month, we can able to pay the rental amount to that Salesforce.com in order to utilize this service. So depends upon your utilization, pay the rental amount to that Salesforce. So that for this Salesforce application, we no need to do the huge investment. We no need to buy the complete license by investing the huge amount. We can able to take it on rental basis itself. Because it's purely on-demand application. On-demand application can be accessible by using browser and internet access. Next. Second, the second benefit is when coming to the Salesforce CRM. Because Salesforce CRM is the world's number one leader. World's number one leader in CRM space. Salesforce CRM is the world's number one leader in the CRM space. Why? Because Salesforce is offering very excellent facilities to their customers. Salesforce is providing all the features inbuilt which can be used to automate our existing customers' information and the new customers' information. And now in this case here, okay, now here in this case, this Salesforce CRM is not only utilizing for the big organizations. This can be applicable for the small organization to a big organization also. From a small company to a big MNC also, we can able to automate our customers' information with the help of this Salesforce CRM. Okay, so that here Salesforce CRM can be used from a small hotel to a very big MNC also. Why? Because when coming to the organizations, we have so many organizations are available which are providing the various services to their customers. So now wherever we have the customers, there you will be having some organizations. Now, in this case, okay, now here in this case, whenever if you want to automate your customers' information, we can use this Salesforce CRM. Like for example, now tell me where we have the customers. For what kind of organizations we have the customers? Like for example, we have hotels. For the hotels, do we have the customers or not? Yes. For the restaurants, do we have the customers or not? Yes. For supermarkets, do we have the customers or not? Yes. For the e-commerce, do we have the customers or not? Yes. For the banking, do we have the customers or not? Yes. For manufacturing, consulting, construction, education, chemical, pharmaceutical, for everywhere, for every organization, we have the customers. So wherever we have the organization, there you will be having the customers. Wherever you have the customers, there you can use Salesforce CRM application. So that Salesforce CRM application can be utilized in from a small hotel to a very big MNC also. It may be any team size. It may be any team size. We can use this Salesforce CRM application. It can be fitted for any organization, for any team size. That organization may be having n number of users also. We can able to use this Salesforce CRM application. That facility is available over here. That's what here so many customers are adopting the Salesforce CRM applications. Now, So Salesforce CRM is in huge demand because Salesforce CRM is the world's first on-demand CRM application. And then this is the world's #1 leader in the CRM space. That means so many organizations are utilizing Salesforce CRM because it is providing very excellent facilities to their customers. And Salesforce CRM can be used from a small organization or a small hotel to a very big MNC also to automate our customers' information. We can use this Salesforce CRM. That facility is available over here. That is one of the major benefit of Salesforce. That's what so many customers are utilizing Salesforce CRM. So many customers are showing the interest to automate their business processes through Salesforce itself. Now, so now here in this case, so now you can raise the question, sir, why Salesforce is purely concentrating on CRM? Because before year 2000 also we have so many CRM application. Then why Salesforce people has developed one more CRM application again? What is the reason here? Now, in this case, why Salesforce people has built again CRM application? Now let me explain. Suppose if the Salesforce people has developed one banking application, then who will use that application? Only the banking organization, banking customers will use. Remaining people won't use that. Suppose if Salesforce people are developing a finance application, then who will use that? Only the financial organizations will use. Remaining people won't use. Suppose if Salesforce is developing a manufacturing related application, then only the manufacturing organization will use that application. Remaining people won't use that. That means what? Those applications are specific to the respective domain. Those are specific to the respective organizations over here. Those are specific to the category of people, not to all. So in this case, they can't generate more revenue. They can't get more number of customers. So now here in this case, okay, now here in this case, when coming to that Salesforce, okay, Salesforce, they have developed an application called as Salesforce CRM. Because for every business we are having the customers, okay, for every business we are having the customers. To automate that customers, they have built that Salesforce CRM application. So that Salesforce CRM application can be used by all the organizations, all the businesses, so that they can capture more customers, they can generate more revenue, they can get some more profit out of it. So that here they have concentrated on CRM application again. Now, so in this case, okay, now here in this case, so now Salesforce people has concentrated on sales again a CRM application so that they can capture more customers also. That facility is available as part of this Salesforce CRM. Okay, now, so now here in this case, now. So now when coming to that Salesforce, as part of this SaaS, they're offering one ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is offering a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM, which is used to automate your existing customers' information and new customers' information. So why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand? Salesforce CRM is the first on-demand CRM application which can be accessible just by using the browser and internet access. And the Salesforce CRM is the world's #1 leader in the CRM space. And the Salesforce CRM is going to be providing the facility to automate the business processes from a small hotel to a very big MNC. So that means this is not only for the big organization, we can use for your small organization also. The facility is available. Okay. So now when coming to the Salesforce, they're not only offering the SaaS, they're offering the platform also. Salesforce is not only offering the SaaS, they're offering platform also. So what is that platform offered by Salesforce? Salesforce is offering a platform called as Force.com platform. Salesforce is offering a platform called as Force.com platform. Then what do you mean by platform basically? What do you mean by platform? Platform is nothing but a development environment. The platform is nothing but a development environment. Platform is nothing but a development environment which is used to develop the custom applications. What are the custom applications that we need? Okay, what are the custom applications that we need, like as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, consulting, construction, like that, what are the applications that you want? Salesforce is offering only CRM application, but along with that CRM, I want some banking. Because recently we have entered into the banking sector. Recently we have entered into the pharmaceutical sector. So I want those kind of applications also, but Salesforce is not offering. Then what we can do? So what we need, okay, what we need is we need some banking applications, finance applications, manufacturing application. Then what we can do at that time? So now we can develop our own applications with the help of that platform. Salesforce has given a platform. That platform is nothing but a development environment. By using this development environment, we can develop our own custom applications. What kind of applications? Any kind of applications, like as banking, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, pharmaceutical, e-commerce, like that, any kind of application we can develop. Any kind of application we can develop with the help of this, the Force.com platform. So Salesforce is not only offering a ready-made application, Salesforce CRM, they're offering a platform also that is called as Force.com platform. So with the help of this Force.com platform, we can build our own custom applications also. So now here in this case, what are the various other operations we can do with the help of this Force.com platform? By using this Force.com platform, we can perform 4 basic operations. What are the benefits? Okay, what are the benefits of Force.com platform? What are the benefits of Force.com platform? Now let me explain. When coming to the Force.com is a cloud platform. Okay, it is a cloud platform which is used to customize and to develop the applications. Which is used to customize and develop the custom application facilities. So now in this case here, the first major benefit is it is a cloud platform. Cloud platform which it doesn't require any installations. Which it doesn't require any installations. We no need to install anything into a local system. You no need to maintain any prerequisite software. You no need to maintain any prerequisite hardware. Just we need a system which is having browser and the internet access. We don't want any installations inside your local system. So just we need a browser and the internet access. With the help of this browser and the internet access, we can able to access each and every feature, and we can able to customize and we can develop. So the first benefit of Force.com platform is, so now by using this Force.com platform, we can customize the application also, but we without it doing any installations into the local system, because it is purely a cloud platform. Then, so what are the other benefits that we have with this Force.com platform? By using this Force.com platform, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. We can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. Then what is the meaning of this customizing this existing CRM application? That means Salesforce CRM is offering so many features. For example, Salesforce CRM has given some 100 features as part of the CRM application. I'm using that CRM application as part of my business. For example, my business is very, very small. So we don't want those many number of CRM features. 100 features I don't want. I want 60 features is sufficient. 60 features are sufficient for my business. Then whatever the remaining 40 features, those features are not required for me right now. So at that time, I would like to make those features to be get hide. Okay, at that time, we can able to make that features to be get hide. What are the 60 features are required just to use that 60 features. Just to display that 60 features inside your application, remaining features we can make it hide. Because those are not required for me right now over here, so that we can make it hide. That facility is available as part of this post-platform platform. Through with the help of this post-platform platform, we can customize that existing Salesforce CRM application. Now, the second one is we can leverage the functionality. We can leverage the features by adding the additional enhancements. That means, what do you mean by leveraging? Leveraging is nothing but adding some more. Okay, adding some more. We are going to be adding some more additional enhancements. So we are adding some more additional enhancements also. Like for example, assume that Salesforce has given some 100 features. I'm using all the 100 features as it is. But along with that, I want 5 more additional features also. But Salesforce haven't given those features as of now. Then what we can do? Salesforce didn't provide these 5 features as of now, but I want these 5 features for my business needs. Then what we can do? Do I need to wait till Salesforce is providing these 5 features? No, I can't wait. Those are required for me right now. In this case, what are the 5 features are required for you additionally? Just you can develop these 5 features by your own, add it to the existing CRM application so that we can able to leverage. Like for example, assume that inside my mobile, if I'm having like a some, okay, if I'm having like a some, okay, 10 GB of internal storage is available. But if that is not sufficient, then what we can do, we can extend that. How? By adding some more additional storage by using a SD card. Like the similar way, whatever the features has been given by Salesforce as part of CRM, if those features are not sufficient, if you want some more features, then we can able to add some more additional features with the help of this post-platform platform. Okay, now next. The next one is by using this post-platform platform, not only customizing these features, not only adding some small enhancements, we can develop our own custom application also. We can develop the custom applications from the scratch. So now in this case, we can develop all the enterprise applications. Enterprise application means what? Which can be using for a large business scale organization also. With all the modules, okay, all the facilities we can able to incorporate inside a single application with the help of this post-platform platform. So by using this post-platform platform, we can develop our own custom applications also from the scratch. That facility is available. What kind of applications we can build? We can build the banking applications, finance applications, healthcare applications, pharmaceutical, construction, consulting. Okay, and then we can able to build the any kind of application, whatever you want. Now you can raise a question, sir, can you develop one CRM application by using this one? Yes, we can develop. So we can develop any kind of applications also. If you want to develop your own CRM application, we can develop, no problem. That facility has been given by Salesforce. There is no such kind of limitations. Any kind of application we can build by using this post-platform platform. And the next one. Once application development has been done, okay, then we can integrate this application. We can integrate the Salesforce application with any external system. We can integrate the Salesforce application with any external system also. That means what? For example, I have developed one manufacturing application. I have developed some manufacturing application, or I have developed like a supermarket application. So through this application, the customer can buy the products through online. So in this case, once the product has been getting selected by the customer, then he has to make the payment, right? Yes. How to make the payment? By connecting to the banking application. Then how can we integrate my Salesforce application to be connecting to the banking systems so that customer can able to make the payment through online so that he can buy the product through online itself? So in this case here, in order to integrate your Salesforce application with any external system, we are using this Force.com platform. So that by using this Force.com platform, we can customize the existing CRM application. We can leverage the existing features also by adding some additional enhancements. We can develop the complete new applications also, whatever you want from the scratch. And once application development has been done, once you're developing your own application, if you want, we can integrate that application with any external system also. That means we can integrate your Salesforce application with the banking systems also, financial systems also, mainframe applications also, SAP applications also, Java application also. With any application we can integrate. That facility is available as part of this Force.com platform. Now, so now here in this case, then how can we implement all these functionalities? Do we have any programming languages to do all these things? Yes, because if you want to develop your custom applications, if you want to integrate the Salesforce with your custom any external systems, if you want to add some more additional features, at that time we need to write some code. We have to write some code. We have to write some business logic. We have to design some user interfaces. Then how can we do all these things? For that one, we are having some programming languages. So now Force.com platform provides the two programming languages. Force.com platform offers the below programming languages. Below programming languages. First one is the Apex programming, and the second one is the Visual Force programming. First one is the Apex programming. Second one is the Visual Force programming. So what is this Apex programming? What is this Visual Force programming? So Apex programming will be similarly looking like as your C programming. Like as your C programming language syntax, C++ programming syntax, Java syntax, C# .NET syntax, your Apex syntax exactly similar, no change at all. Okay, no change at all. So that here Apex programming has been especially designed with the similar kind of syntaxes like a C, C++, Java, .NET, and Apex syntaxes are exactly similar. So that if anybody wants to migrate from other technology to Salesforce, that will be very easy for them. That's what they have followed this kind of syntactical rules. So now in this case, then what we can do with the help of this Apex programming? Apex programming is used to, okay, Apex programming is used to build the custom business logic. Build the custom business logic. In order to build the custom business logic, we are using this Apex programming language. By using this Apex programming language, we can develop the custom business logic whatever you want. Like for example, after entering some data in the user interface on the screen, if when you click on the save button, record will be saving or not? Yes. When you click on cancel button, record will be canceling or not? Yes. When you click on delete button, record is deleting or not? Yes. When you click on search button, it is searching for the record or not? Yes. How? Because of this business logic only. So behind those button controls, there is some business logic which we can implement with the help of Apex programming. So through Apex programming language, we can develop our own custom business logic. Okay. Now, second one, Visual Force programming. Basically, Visual Force programming is called as a web development framework. Like this Visual Force, visual means what? Presentation, like as screens, okay, screens, user interfaces. So to design the user interfaces, what kind of user interfaces? Dynamic user interfaces, attractive user interfaces, which is having some rich look and feel user interfaces. Okay, now, so in this case, by using this Visual Force programming, we can design our own, okay, user interfaces with attractive look and feel, which is having the dynamic functionalities inside this. Which is having dynamic functionalities inside this. So that Visual Force is called as a web development framework. It is a web development framework. It is a web development framework to be used to design the attractive and dynamic user interfaces. In order to design your own screens, like as login for screen, or the search password screen, change the password screen, new record creation screen, like that, what are the user interfaces that you want, all those user interfaces we can design with the help of Visual Force programming. Now, these are the two programming languages has been given by Salesforce, which we will discuss as part of development part. No need to worry about the programming part. Each and every fundamental basic I will discuss inside the class itself. From the beginning level to the advanced level, along with practical implementation, along with real-time use cases, I will explain each and every functionality to you. So no need to worry about the programming part. Every fundamental basics to advanced level concept I will discuss in the class itself. Even though you are from a non-technical background, no need to worry about the programming part. Now, next one. So now as part of this Force.com platform, okay, we are going to be using these two programming languages. So by using these programming languages, once application has been developed, then where we can install. In order to install that application, okay, in order to install the application, we need some server, right? Yes. So now in this case, what happened? We no need to buy the server by investing the huge amount. Okay, we no need to buy the server by investing the huge amount. We can take that server resources on rental basis. What are the server resources that we need? Each and every server resource we can take it on rental basis over here. That facility is available to you. So that here Salesforce is maintaining the various servers. These are also called as instances. Salesforce is providing the various servers in the three different regions. Salesforce is maintaining their own data centers. These are also called as the servers or the instances, which is maintaining by Salesforce, okay, in the three different regions. Now, so now here in this case, so where exactly these regions are available? Salesforce is maintaining the servers in three different regions. The first one is the North America region. It is also called as EMEA region. And the second one, Europe region. That is also called as EU region or the EMEA, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Third one, Asia Pacific region, is also called as AP region. These are the three regions are there where exactly Salesforce is going to be maintaining their own servers, and then these servers also we can take it on rental basis. What are the memory space that we need? What are the server resources that we need? We can take it on rental basis. So by using this infrastructure service, we can take all the infrastructure related services. Like what kind of services they're offering? They're going to be offering the storage space. We can get the storage space on rental basis, and we can able to get the performance features. Performance features on rental basis. We can collect the security features on rental basis. We can collect the backup and restoring facilities. Restore facilities on rental basis. We can collect the disaster recovery management. Disaster recovery services. All these services we can able to take it on rental basis with the help of this infrastructure as a service. So that Salesforce is not only offering the CRM, Salesforce offers a platform also. Because of this platform only, Salesforce is in huge demand right now in the market. Because of this Force.com platform only, Salesforce is having the good credibility in the market. That's what here, so many customers are using Salesforce services nowadays. So many customers are using Salesforce services. Like for example, when you go to that Salesforce services, so many customers are utilizing that. Now let me explain. Now, so when you go to that Salesforce, so many customers are utilizing that Salesforce services nowadays. These are not only from the CRM domain, they're from different domains. Okay, they're from different domains. Like for example here, Now they're having that. So now the Clear Tax is an organization which is utilizing Salesforce services. White Hat Junior, he is also utilizing that. So now what fix? He is also using Salesforce. Safe Express, they're also using nothing but they're into the travel domain. And then DMI Finance, they're into the finance domain over here. And then Concretia, this is also one of that organization they're using that Salesforce services. And then Startup Wala, this is also one of the organization they're using Salesforce. CA Tides, they're also using Salesforce. Godrej is also using Salesforce. Now, the next one. When you go to these organizations, Liberty Shared, they're also using Salesforce. Porter, they're also using Salesforce. Clay, they're also using Salesforce. Fevicol, that means Fidelity, they're also using that Salesforce implementation. Franklin Templeton, this is one of the investment banking, they're also using Salesforce. Toyota also using Salesforce. And then Washi Electricals, they're also using Salesforce. NBC, nothing but media, they're also using Salesforce. And the Financial Times, they're also using Salesforce. Like that, so many customers are available. Almost 150,000 customers, 150,000 organizations are using Salesforce services nowadays. These are all are not into the banking. They're not into the finance. They're not into that because the marketing. They're into different domains. Somebody into the paints. Somebody into the investment banking. Somebody into the Toyota. Nothing but that because they're manufacturing some cars, the various vehicles they're manufacturing over here. And then we are having the various organizations who are utilizing Salesforce services. So that we have so many customers are available which are utilizing Salesforce services nowadays. That's what Salesforce is having huge demand in the market right now over here. That's why here, since almost the last 3 continuous years, Salesforce is the world's #1 leader in the CRM space, and then Salesforce is having more job opportunities in the last 3 years. We can check any survey in the internet, okay? We can check any survey in the internet. In the last 3 continuous years, we are having more number of jobs are available on Salesforce. On Salesforce, we are getting more number of job opportunities since the last 3 continuous years. Because of that here, so many customers are adopting Salesforce implementation. So many people are also showing interest to utilize Salesforce services. These are the complete information about the various features offered by Salesforce to their customers. Salesforce is an organization which is offering the various cloud services like Salesforce CRM, they're offering Force.com platform, they're offering infrastructure services also to their customers. Okay. So in tomorrow's session, we'll see the concept of CRM process. It's a most important concept. It is also called as CRM terminology. CRM terminology or the CRM vocabulary. This is the most important concept for the further concept. Because when you go to any domain, okay, you will be having some domain terminology. That domain terminology we are discussing in tomorrow's session as part of CRM. What is the terminology that we are utilizing? What are the various objects or vocabulary that we are using? We are discussing in tomorrow's session along with CRM process also. Okay, if you know this is CRM process in the terminology, remaining concepts are very simple for you because the same terminology we are using every day. Okay, for the next 3.5 months course, this complete course we are using the same terminology. So that here tomorrow's session is very important. Don't miss the tomorrow's session. Okay. So please use the same meeting link for tomorrow's session also at same time, evening at 6 o'clock. Okay.
Sir, is this first class or second?